everyone, welcome back to Sudeep Tech Learning YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to show you all the full procedure to pay your water bill online in Goa. Now before this we have already done many videos like how to pay your electricity bill, how to apply for residence certificate, how to apply for employment card. All these videos you will get at one place on our YouTube channel. So for that, jaldi se subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the educational tech videos, all online services videos in Goa. So let's proceed for today's video. So before proceeding, the main thing here you have to know this: the website, that is the goaonline.gov.in. All there are many services here. I have done the most of the services, many services I have covered. I have done many videos you can watch on my YouTube channel here. Now the goaonline.gov.in, this is the website. Open this website. It is a very friendly website. So this is how the interface looks like. The first view of this, you will see all the main details on this website. Now there is an option to log in and register. If you have not registered, you register here. Now the main good thing about the water bill payment is that you don't have to register or you don't have to log in. You can do your water bill anytime, or anybody's water bill payment you can do of your neighbors, your friends, anybody's water bill. Just you need to have your customer ID. Now the next thing after this where you have to go is, you can see an option here of view services. Okay, if you are new, go to view services. If you already have a login account, you can log in and then go to view services. Okay, now but it is not mandatory for making a water bill payment to log in or register something. So go to a view services. Now next, when you go to view services, there are many ample number of services. From there just go down to the department called the public work department. Okay, the TPWD department. So to just go there and you will find three options: water bill, NOC, road cutting, water connection. So that is the first option, water bill payment. Just click on that, you will be taken up to the payment section. Now after you click on that, this is where you are taken up the public work department. Under that water bill payment, the procedure to apply pay is given here. There is not a big procedure, very small procedure. I will explain everything in this video. Just keep watching this video and you will understand each and every step of it. So after you go here, next thing you just click on proceed to pay. So when you click on proceed to pay, this is the interface that you get. Now here you have to enter your customer ID. The where you will get your customer ID, you can see the bill here on the left side. You will see that the customer ID is somewhere down in the middle part. Okay, so that digit number which is there, that is your customer ID. So you have to enter that customer ID over here, and after that click on preview bill. Okay, make sure that you add your customer ID correct, because after you click on preview it will show all the details of your bill. So this is the example. After adding the customer ID, you see I have blurred my details over here, so that's why you cannot see, but here I have added my customer ID. Okay, after that you will see all the details. The consumer name will come here, the billing period, whatever, and whatever the amount is there, what is showing on your bill, the same amount will be shown over here. Okay, if any there is discrepancies, you have to contact to the department directly if this value and your value on the bill is not showing correctly. Okay, after this you just make these all things. If it is same, then you can proceed to payment. So after you do the proceed to payment, the next thing it will take you to this page wherein you have to add your own details, who is going to do the payment. So now since you are doing the payment, maybe your name is there on the bill or no. Okay, party name is the person in which whom the meter is registered. So next thing, now here you have to add your name, the whoever is paying the bill, that his name, his email address. Now why email address? Because after the payment is successful, the receipt which is there, it will come on this email, and also a mobile number for communication purpose. This has to be given here. After this, adding all this detail, you can click on proceed to pay. So after you click on that, there will be a drop down coming where it will ask you to click on OK. So just click on OK. After clicking OK, it will take you to the e-challan gateway. The e-challan gateway, here you will be given the unique e-challan number, wherein this will be helping you to check out your transaction details in future. If you want to get the bills and all, this e-challan number is important for you. Then here is nothing, you have to just add this captcha code and select the payment gateway. Only there is a State Bank payment gateway. Now don't get worried because it's showing only the State Bank of India payment gateway. It will take you there, but after that you can use other bank services also. So just initiate payment here. After that, there are many example of services. As I told you, SBI services for internet banking. There is a card banking services, debit cards. Okay, for State Bank users here. For other bank users, you'll have to click here. Now there is also UPI services which is there, which is a very friendly nowadays, and mostly many people are using the UPI services, so even this method is also available here, so you can even click on that. After this is the next part, that is you have to confirm, okay, and you have to click this twice, that is double confirmation you have to do. After doing the double confirmation, just go on the next. Now the next part is I have done using the card method. So this is how the interface looks like for doing the card thing. Now here again same thing, card details and all these things you have to add. You have to just check out this again and click on pay. So after that your payment will get successful. After your payment is successful, you will get a receipt from SBI. So this is not important receipt, this will just show that your transaction is successful. You have to wait for 10 seconds and then a bill will be coming out. So this is how each challan receipt comes out. So once you see this receipt, now you can keep this reference number. This is important whenever you are being asked after transaction. This is the important you require. After that, you can print this using this command print here. So you do that. That is very important. Do the print. So this is how the print looks like. So you have to keep this print safe for your next time when you want it. And this is done. Here your payments get successful. So yes, that was all the simple process. If you have any difficulty in paying your water bill, you can comment down in the video. I will surely solve all of your doubts wherever you want. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel for many other educational tech videos and all many online services that you all want. And also you can comment and tell me which video you all want to see next. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Learn smart, be wise.